Hi friends, through this video I want to talk something important on weight loss. So when it comes to weight loss, there are so many ways to do something, and same thing applies with weight loss also. There are so many ways to lose weight, but do we know which way is right for me or for you? Before going ahead into deep, my name is Vijay Singh and I am a weight loss expert. My goal is to help 100,000 people to get fit and live a healthy and happy lifestyle. So let's go into deep, as there are n number of ways to achieve something. Now when it comes to weight loss, what we try to do, how we are trying to achieve weight loss, what are we sacrificing when it comes to weight loss? Are we sacrificing our health itself to lose weight, or is this the cost in terms of money which we are paying to lose weight? Are we trying to lose weight to get healthy, or do we want to get healthy so that we can lose weight? In what way do we want to lose weight? The right way or the unknown way? So the major concept which all of us know is that when it comes to weight loss, calorie in and calorie out is the concept we all of us know. But is this the right way to lose weight? So most of us, what we do in order to lose weight, we start starving, we stop eating food, we eat less on the concept of less calories going inside and working hard in gym or outside so that we can burn calories more. Indeed, this concept works, but it works only for a limited period of time when it comes to weight loss. Initially we are able to lose weight, but later we are not able to. Have you faced this kinds of challenge? Initially you lost some weight, but after that, no matter what are you doing, the weight is not going down at all. Why does it happen? Have you ever thought about it? So it's not only about number of calories going inside our body and number of calories getting burnt. It is much more than that. Our body is so complicated device, we are still trying to understand. So when we eat less to lose weight, are we doing a justice with our body? Just think about it. Are we doing justice with our body? So what happens when we eat less in order to lose weight? My body is depriving of the essential nutrition on a daily basis. Now, in this case, aren't we putting our health itself on stake to lose weight? And it may create more problem in future, as my body is not getting the tools, the nutrition itself to do its daily job. Don't we think if we keep on doing this thing for weeks, months, and it will create a deficiency in our body, and that leads to weak immune system, and then that weakness of immune system can lead to other health issues also. You might have already seen many people doing this thing in order to get fit, and what happens, they do certain period of time, let's suppose 1 month or 2 months, and after that they get sick. Why does it happen? This is the reason. We are trying to get fit, but unfortunately we end up becoming more weak from inside. So what is the right way? So you must understand, the right way is, what is our current health status right now? If we want to lose weight, obviously my goal is to become more healthier than right now, isn't it? So we should lose weight in a such way that we should not put our current health, the current status of our health on stake, and still able to lose weight and get more healthy than today. That is the right way. I don't want to go more into deep because there are so many things to talk about, and probably you may not understand everything because our body is so complicated device made by God. It cannot be understood in 1 or 2 lines. Now the right way to get fit, it varies from person to person because everybody's current health status is different. Everybody is coming from different background. Everyone's eating habits are different. Lifestyle is different. So how one solution can be applicable for everybody? So through this video, I just wanted to tell you, follow the right step to lose weight. Don't follow just random thing and end up becoming more weak from inside. Get the help from the right sources. Please share your thoughts. What do you think about this, so that I can give you more information and help you, all of you, to get fit. Share this video with people who might be in need and help me to spread the awareness about weight loss more and more. Thank you guys. Take care.